So today we're going to talk about the drink packages on Carnival Cruise Line. If you have planned or booked your very first Carnival cruise and you're considering getting a drink package, you need to watch this. And if you guys don't know who I am, I'm DeAndre. I'm a travel agent. And if you need help booking your very first or your next cruise, head on over to the link in my bio to get started. There are several packages that Carnival Cruise Line offers when it comes to drink packages. They have a soda package, a zero proof package, and an all-inclusive package, and then they also have a wine package. But today we'll only be talking about the soda, zero proof, and the cheers package, which is the all-inclusive. Okay, so let's start with the soda package. The soda package includes all sodas and juices throughout the duration of your cruise. It's about $6.95 per child per day, or about $9.50 per adult per day. So next is the Cheers Zero Proof package, the non-alcoholic package. Now, please note that they are currently testing and it's not available on all sailings. I believe it's only available on sailings up to 2026. But included with that is sodas, juices, bottled water, premium coffees and tea, zero proof cocktails, alcohol-free beer, alcohol-free sparkling wine, frozen drinks, non-alcoholic, smoothies, and bottled protein shakes, milkshakes, and energy drinks. As of October 2025, this drink package is $29.99 per person per day. Now let's talk about the Cheers package, which is Carnival's all-inclusive drink package. Now, when you purchase the Cheers package, everybody in your cabin that is 21 years or older are required to have this package. So if there are 4 adults in one room, all 4 adults will have to get the Cheers package. Now, you can only order one drink at a time within a 5 to 15 minute period. I don't remember. Now, the Cheers package allows you up to 15 alcoholic drinks in a 24-hour period, which Carnival considers 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. Now, if you're sailing out of Texas, Norfolk, or New York, your drink package does not start until the second day, and this is due to state laws. Now, while you are still in port and you have the drink package and you're selling out of like Miami, you are still charged a tax on your drink package until you're in international waters. So the Cheers package includes all spirits as well as beer and wine by the glass up to $20, and sodas, zero proof frozen cocktail, energy drinks, specialty coffees, hot tea, 500 milliliters of bottled water, and other non-alcoholic bottled beverages. Now, the Cheers package is $69.95 per person per day when you purchase pre-cruise, or if you purchase it while you're on board, it is $75 per person per day. And all these packages, when you check out, have an 18% gratuity added. But that's pretty much it for the drink packages. If you guys want me to go more in depth on it, let me know in the comment section down below. But until next time, you guys have a good rest of your day and happy travels. Bye.